how to change Google password. So let's get started. First of all, open up Google in your device. Make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you land on this home page, navigate to the top right corner, then tap on your profile icon. Now from here, under your profile name, there you will find a button as Google account. Tap over it. Then you will get to your account page. Now under your profile name, there is an option as personal info. Next to home option, tap on it. And here scroll down a bit and there you will find an option as password. Tap on password. Now for the verification, you have to enter your password first. Then tap on next. Now once I verified, you will get to create a new password. So create a new password that you would like to change, and here make sure your password is at least 8 characters and you don't use a password from another site or something too obvious like your pet's name. So with that on your mind, create your new password, and under that confirm the password that you have created. And once you are done with that, tap on change password, and after that your Google password will be changed, and then you may require to log into your account with your changed password. So that's how you can change Google password, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.